Good morning, children. So now, the very first day, we are going to start the first chapter of literature, and the name of the chapter is The English Exam. And before beginning the chapter, I would just like to ask a few questions. First of all, you are going to tell me your favorite subjects and why it is your favorite. That also you are going to write and send it in the group. Now, this story is about a boy whose name was Raghu. Okay, and Raghu was very interested in learning English. Why he was interested in learning English? He was interested because his favorite subject was English. So let us start. Raghu was very excited because he had his English exam that day. It was his favorite subject. So now he was thinking in his mind that English is my favorite subject. I hope I do well in my exam today. So he was thinking all these things and he was so excited about the exam. Next, what happened? Soon it was the time for the exam to begin and the teacher started distributing the question papers. Now, as he was so happy about the exam, so he was eagerly waiting that when the exam is going to begin and the teacher will distribute the papers. So now the time has come when the teacher started distributing the papers. But Raghu was very impatient. He was waiting very impatiently. Children, what is the meaning of impatiently? Impatiently means when you are not able to wait for something. You want something at the same time. For example, if you feel like eating ice cream, then you feel that you should eat at the same time. If your parents say no, we'll go in the evening and then we'll eat the ice cream, then you say no, I want it right now, because you are impatient about it. You want to eat ice cream the same time. Similarly, Raghu was so excited about the English exam that he was waiting for the papers to be distributed and he was very impatient. Okay? Now, next what happened? So, I am so eager to write the exam. I wonder if questions on my favorite lessons will be included or not. Raghu thought that I am so eager to see the question paper and I don't know whether the questions from my favorite lessons will be included or not. So he was thinking all these things in his mind and he was waiting for the question paper to come. Then, now let's move forward. When Raghu got the question paper, he was shocked. He couldn't believe his eyes. Do you know, children, why he was shocked? First of all, what is the meaning of shocked? Shocked means to feel surprised. He was really very surprised to see the question paper. Why he was surprised? He read the question paper and he found the sentences were like, there are 4 spoons and 6 plates on each table. How many? What is this? This is not the English paper. Then what did he do? He said to his teacher, Ma'am, there is something wrong. This is not the question paper. This is not the correct question paper. This is, I think, maths paper, and today is not the maths exam. Now, next what happened? The whole class looked at Raghu. They couldn't understand what was happening. So the teacher asked, What's the matter, Raghu? Are you all right? The teacher spoke kindly to Raghu. Raghu said, There's been a mistake, ma'am. Today is not the maths exam. Today is the English paper. And this is a maths paper. So today this maths paper shouldn't have come because today is the turn of English. So why we have got maths paper? Everybody was looking at Raghu and everybody was surprised. I hope you all are the meaning of surprised. What is the meaning of surprised? Surprise means when you are shocked, when you listen to someone and you couldn't believe, then that is surprised. So everybody was surprised listening Raghu's words. And then what happened?